I'm Lucas.
I'm Carsen, and we're Shadow Mountain Gen Yes students.
Ms. K came to us and said, hey, we have some Macs that need repairing, and so she gave us the task to fix it up. And now we're going to try figuring this out and get these to work for school use.
Alright, this is a screw we have to unscrew right here. There's one in the middle and then one on the far right side. Once you unscrew these, the back of the computer will be loose from the faceplate and you can take it off. The initial problem of this computer was it was turning on and turning off extremely loud, and we did some research and found out that the #1 cause of this was a hard drive. So we're gonna try and replace the hard drive and see if that works. Alright, last one, and now this will just pop right out. There you go. Alright, so we suspect that the computer's problem is the hard drive right here, so we're gonna try this brand new hard drive and replace it. Out.
Well, the hard drive problem didn't work because our computer's still having issues. So we had an idea. We're going to re-image it and set it back to factory settings.
Head into the re-imaging station. Alright. So we're going to show you how to re-image. You need a networking cable, so an Ethernet cable. You're going to plug it into the Ethernet port. And you're going to need a power cord. Plug that into the power spot, obviously. And a keyboard. And maybe a mouse. Then get a mouse. Plug in a mouse, and you're going to turn it on. And you're going to hold down the N key. Alright, so right here we are in the process of re-imaging this one. So cool. And so when it's done, we will find out if it works or not. Alright, so this is the Mac that we re-imaged, and it's now restarting.
Oh, hey there. Well, as you can see, we fixed our iMac, and so we have our problem solved. Mission accomplished. Shadow Mountain Gen Yes out.